Welcome back to day 9 of 30 days of teaching you how to teach abroad. Today we're going to be talking about how to work on your cover letter. Again, I have my handy dandy notes here. I'm coming at you with a lot of information, so I want to make sure that I do not forget anything because I want to see you abroad, baby. I want to see you win. In your cover letter, remember, a cover letter is just a nice little introduction, okay? You want to get the school, you want to get their taste buds a little tender, a little wet for you. You want to get them, get them a little bit ready for what you're going to bring when you hit them with that resume, when you hit them with the real info. First of all, you should already be doing this, but research the school. Make sure that your values and your goals and your idea of how to be a teacher align with the schools, right? So you can kind of highlight that in your cover letter. Don't just go in there blind and think you're just going to type something up. Research the school. What are they looking for? Is that the kind of teacher you are? Do your goals and visions as an employer and an employee line up? Do they match? Okay? So make sure that your values align and hint to that. Give them a little taste. Let them know that they're the kind of person that you're looking for. I would also add in there, if you can sprinkle in there, talk about how flexible you are, how resourceful you are. Now I'm gonna tell you the real tea. Sometimes out here, you might get to that school, baby, and it might not be nothing in there. I'm not gonna hold you. I've had it happen. I've seen it happen. So you might have to do a little whoop-de-doo, what's her name? Bibbidi-boppity-boo, whatever. You might have to work a little magic. You might have to really be resourceful. You might have to get it out the mud a little bit. So highlight that. Talk about that. When was the time you had to be resourceful? How you would be valuable to the team because of that resourcefulness. My last cover letter tip is why you would be an asset to their school. What experience, what knowledge, what do you bring to the table that's going to be different, that's going to be unique to you, that is going to enhance the overall school population. I'm talking about the students, the teachers, everything. What is it about you as a unique individual, as a unique teacher that is going to elevate their school, right? The school's hiring us, but baby, we're hiring the schools too, okay? When I'm coming to you as an employee, I know what I bring to the table, so I'm letting you know, okay? I'm the prize, okay? So make sure that you highlight what specific knowledge, experience, certifications, whatever that you bring to the table that are going to be an asset to the school as a whole. Make sense? We got that? Am I talking too fast? I don't know. I just want y'all to get the information. That is going to wrap up day 9 for us. Let me know if this video was helpful. Comment, like, share with a friend who wants to teach abroad, and come back tomorrow for day 10, 30 days of how to teach abroad. I got you.